Yes, sir. Got the bev. You know what I'm saying? Fuel up. Look at that. Waiting for me. Sheesh! Look at that, man. Look at that. The road is looking stellar. Got lots of snow on the side. Yup. Yes, sir. No icy road. Let's go. Alright, guys, we just made it to the spot. This fucking parking lot is sketchy as fuck because it's all snow. I was looking terrified I was gonna just die right now. And the temperature says it's 41. So I'm also kind of terrified to see. But let's see what's going on. Fuck. We fucking made it to the mountains. I don't even know if I'm going the right way. This is a trail. It's pretty nice though. Look at this. You got Mountain High Resort going crazy. You got all the skiers going down. Yes, sir. But I think I'm gonna go back because this one's kind of, I don't know. I think I'd rather do this other trail that's like 5 minutes away. So we're gonna go check that one out. Yeah, because this trail only leads to like, I don't even know what it leads to. It doesn't seem like it goes anywhere interesting. Like I'm trying to go over there, like on top of the mountain and shit. You know what I'm saying? Well, it said it was 40 degrees. I don't know if I believe that. It's pretty cold, but it's definitely not 40. It's probably like 50, if that. They also said there was gonna be like 40-mile-per-hour winds. None of that. Beautiful day out here. Look at this fresh powder. Just for me. Boop, 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 boop. This guy over here in the Jeep is the only one next to me. He's probably like, what the fuck is he doing? I'm just out here living life, man. Going for a walk. This is gonna be the scary part because I almost fucking slipped. We're parked in like literally snow or like icy, like this type of shit right here. So let's pray for the best. We'll slow back out. Yes, sir. Use the brakes. The brakes work. Good. Take another little step. Brake. We're good. Back it up. Back it up. Boop, boop. Back it up. Alright, well, there's a problem. Small problem. The road is closed. And it's still 1.5 miles until the trail starts. So, just gonna walk it from here, I guess. And hopefully we don't get a ticket for parking here. Alright, the wind is low-key picking up. Nothing crazy though. Look at this fucking road though. Like, it didn't get snow plowed, didn't get cleared out. Look how much they got. Like, oh god, the wind. Maybe I lied. Woo! Dude, it's not even cold. It's hot as hell. It's so hard to walk in the snow. Phew. We're like not even half a mile in and I'm already gassed. Whew. Met some other people on the trail. They blessed me with a little bit of the orange juice, we'll say. Took a shot with them, some nice peeps. I'll go take another one for the camera. Cheers, y'all. Ugh. keep it pushing. Got some beautiful views around us. Sir, let's keep it going. Look at that. Going out there. Perfect weather. Low key, the wind is kind of starting to kick my ass though. This wind's going a little crazy now. Look how deep it is right here. Look at that. Look how fucking dry it is over there. Alright, let's keep it pushing. Got a long road ahead of us. Literally like I'm the only crazy person out here. No one else is doing this shit. Fucking, that's what we like. Out in nature. Look how beautiful the snow is. So I think it's like up there. I don't know how long this trail is either. So how far I can make it. It's already 2:30, so just whatever I can do in an hour and then come back before it gets dark. Some restrooms there too. Take a peek at it. Inspiration point. Walking down that path. It's pretty nice this way. I think it's this way. I don't think it's that way because it's like nothing over there. It's dry. Over here is where the good stuff's at. See how far we can make it. View though. Look at this freaking ice of death here in the path. There's already some runoff too. Inspired indeed. Yeah, hurry up because I don't have that much time, so I'm taking advantage of these dry spots. You know, we'll drop it. That. It's pretty beautiful when the wind's not destroying your face. Look at this. Look at this trail though. Pretty fucking deep, and it's very steep. But I know, bitch, let's get it. I think I'm just going to like right there. It's pretty chill here. Soon because this wind is starting to pick up. It's no joke. these little puppy prints. Oh, and the wind calmed down. Nice and beautiful. This is what we like. This is what we like. It's really only bad when the wind starts to pick up. Like, and it's just like, why did I do this? But when it's like this, calm. What more do you need? Alright, so I found this little chill spot to sit down. The best view I'm gonna get on the whole hike, so might as well just chill here for a bit. It's starting to get pretty chilly. It's starting to get cold. So earlier I thought these were the restrooms. Look at this. It's still pissed in there. Alright, let's get out. Let's get out of here. Alright. On our way back. Goodbye, little mountain. Goodbye, snow. We'll be back soon. Look how fluffy it is. Probably the last of it here. Almost back to my car. Can't wait to just get in there and turn the heater on. Drink some water. Got some chicken soup waiting for me at the house. Finna hit different. Different. Look at this view. My hands feel like icicles. Like, the gloves I had weren't doing too much and they got wet, so now I'm just raw dogging it. We're almost there. We made it. We made it to the car. Thank God. I want to go home, lay in my blanket, cozy, and eat some chicken soup. Look at this view though.